How to post text on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. First thing first, start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Now head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the plus icon at the top right. From the menu that appears, select Post. Then choose any photo from your gallery to use as the background. After that, click Next. Then tap text icon to begin adding your text. Now type in your message. After writing your message, you can change the font of the text or also change the color of the text. After that, hit on the Done button at the top right. Lastly, move, resize and change the position of the text wherever you want. When you are satisfied, tap Next to proceed. Finally, hit the Post button to share your creation with your followers. There you go. This is how to post text on Instagram.